gosh, ladies. Beginner friendly? Yes. Natural looking? Yes. Obsessed? Absolutely. Oh my gosh, family. Thanks for tuning in. These crochet locks with wavy ends might be the easiest, gorgeous protective style that I've ever installed. Look at these locks. They are absolutely gorgeous. In this tutorial, I'm going to break down how I achieve this full head of crochet locks with these wavy ends. Yes, they look professionally done, and I did not spend all day doing them. Yes, this style is perfect. The length, the volume, and the movement. They are absolutely versatile. As you can see, I can wear them in so many styles. So if you are looking for a crochet braid, stay tuned for this tutorial. I'm going to show you exactly step by step how I installed it, and it did not take a long time. I am so loving these. They are absolutely gorgeous. Let's jump into this video. So I started off by doing a quick easy braid pattern, and this is the hair that I'm using, and this is my custom closure. Yes, I started off by covering my head with my crochet net. Yes, this is my crochet net cap. You can purchase it on my website, or you can get it at your local beauty supply. I always cover my head with my crochet cap or some kind of net because I want to protect my natural hair. Even when I'm crocheting, I want to make sure that I am crocheting mainly on the net and not on my hair. And of course, what I am using my custom frontal. Yes, this is going to give me the fullness that I want in the front because as you can see, I have an extremely big forehead and my hairline starts way in the back. And this custom frontal, it does not require glue, ladies. Yes, no glue is needed. It is customized specifically for each and every one of my clients. Again, you can tap the link in the description below to get your order in. As you can see, it is so easy to install. 1, 2, 3. No glue is needed. It will not slip. It will not slide. It will not shift. Why? Because it is custom made, and that is just all needed. 1, 2, 3, and there it is. The braids are already pre-installed, or you can purchase it without the braids. So this is the hair. It is some Goddess deep crochet locks, color LT 30. It's 20 inches long, and these are the locks. Oh my gosh, they are locks, and at the end they are wavy. Again, they are 20 inches long. They are called Goddess deep crochet locks. There's 3 sections, and that is all we're gonna need is 3 sections, and I think I used about 3 packs. So here is the fun part. I'm starting to crochet, and I'm starting at the nape of my neck, and I am crocheting on that band. I did not cut the band on my cap. This cap is nice and comfortable. It's soft, it's durable. It's gonna last the duration that I have this style up. And again, I'm starting by crocheting on that elastic band that is in the back. I want to make sure that that is covered, so if I decide to pull my hair up in a ponytail, nothing will be exposed back here. Yes, I am going to clean up my kitchen back here. As you can see, it definitely needs to be cleaned. So again, this style is absolutely very easy, beginner friendly. It didn't take long. The hair is very lightweight. Again, it's versatile, and it is super comfortable. Mainly, it is not heavy. This is 1 section, ladies. The pack came with 3 sections, and this is 1. This is already coming out nice and full, just like I want it. And 1/4 of the hair is already done. I only have the top and the very front where my custom closure is. Here is the custom closure. Again, I cut the lace off, and as you can see, it is already looking natural. This is the most exciting thing about my custom frontal. This is going to create my edges. As you can see, I am not crocheting on my edges at all. I am crocheting on this custom closure. Again, you can tap the link in the description below to get your order in now. This is absolutely amazing. This closure is going to create my edges, as you can see. As I pull that back, it looks like my natural edges, but it is not. My natural edges are getting a break. I am not putting anything on them, and look at that. The crochets is on the custom closure that I'm using. Oh my gosh, now look how full this is. That is one more section of the 3-pack. Oh my gosh, it's 3 sections in 1 pack, and this is 2. And look at that. Look at those edges. Oh my gosh, this is coming out absolutely beautiful. Look at those edges. And I have not crocheted 1 crochet on my edges. My edges are completely protected, ladies. This is what you want. You want to be able to pull your hair up and it look natural. If I wanted to, I could have left some baby hair out, which would have gave it a little more natural look. But because I am going to be wearing this down for the most part, and I may pull it up at the top, but not on my sides. Again, this is some Goddess deep wave crochet locks. Again, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to show you just how easy and simple it is to crochet on my custom closure. It is just like your natural hair. You want to go in with that latch hook. You want to pull that crochet lock through. And oh my gosh, voila. There it is, just like your natural hair. And this is going to come out just so full and so natural looking. I'm going to be able to wear a left side part, a right side part, or even a middle part. I can pull it to the back. I can put just the middle up into a ponytail. This is so versatile. Again, ladies, if you are looking for a crochet style, but you are not sure which style to choose, try these crochet wavy locks. Yes, they are locks with the waves at the end. Continue to keep watching and see how this beautiful style is accomplished. Again, they are lightweight, beginner friendly. The length is absolutely amazing. The custom frontal gives you the fullness that you want in the front, especially if you are having thin hair loss, alopecia, if you don't have edges, if your edges are very thin and you want to protect them, get your order in for the custom frontal. You can also purchase these locks and some box braids. They come in box braids as well on my website. Tap the link in the description below for the link and continue to keep watching and see the end results. These are amazing. The shocking results at the end. Continue to keep watching, and I will see you again soon on my next video.